Hey guys, so in today's video, I have these good sleep vitamin gummies. They help you sleep at night, and I've been taking them for a few days, and yeah, I've definitely been able to fall asleep a lot quicker and feel a lot more tired, which is good. Here are the nutrition value in the back. It says there's 20 calories per 2 gummies. That's the recommended daily serving size, and there's only 3 grams of sugar, which is good. And overall, like, simple. They look like gumdrops, so purplish color. There's only around 10 ingredients in these things, which is great. And they taste like berry, so yeah, really helpful for sleep. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and vegan friendly. Overall, has helped me sleep a lot. Simple and easy, chew daily. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.